was running during Hurricane Henri or Tropical Storm Henri, whatever it is at this point. My air conditioners are running right now. And of course, this thing is nice and cold, and this thing is mediocre at best. Not even, it's not even that cold. But, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys, also, my garage unit running. And you guys are thinking, oh, it's gonna be the Sharp again. No, it's the air temp. Yeah, I put in an air temp this time around. Kind of rattles a little bit, but it runs. Compressor makes a little bit of noise, but it runs good. I'll show you. I'm not going to show you guys the inside because I'm going to be posting a full video of it soon. I'm not going to film these for too long because I'm getting wet. And here they are. This is like the end of the hurricane. It's probably not. I'm either in between like another batch of hard rain, or this is near the end. Either way, it's not really that bad right now, but it might get worse. I don't know. If it gets worse, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, it's currently raining right now, and during Hurricane or Tropical Storm Henri. Here's my air temp running at night. There it is running. Go over here on my reams. Cold at all, not warm at all, and the air is basically temperature. Yeah, there you go. We'll go back and go into the air now. There's the air temp running right there. Yeah, that's about it, guys.